24 divided by 2.
Very good. So this is 24 divided by 2. So what we will do is, you know how to write these two numbers. Aliza, which number will come inside and which number will come outside? Yeah.
24 will come inside and 2 will come in outside.
Very good. Children, after division symbol number is 2. So we will write this 2 outside and 24 inside. Very good. That's correct. So we'll be writing this 24 inside. Okay. Thank you, Aliza. Now what we have to do is, since outside number is 2, or we can say after division symbol number is 2, so we'll be recalling table of 2 here. Right, Advaita?
Yes, ma'am.
In 2 table, when we will get, okay, nahi. Before that you tell me, 2 digits are here, 2 and 4, that makes it 24. Yes, is it correct, Advaita?
Yes, ma'am.
Advaita, please pay attention. I said that 2 digits are here, 2 and 4, that makes it 24, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Advaita, now tell me, we'll be taking here 2 and 4 together, or we will take only one digit at a time? We will take only 2, or we will take 2 and 4 together?
2 and 4 together, ma'am.
Okay, you said 2 and 4 together. Why we are not taking only 2 here? Why we are not taking only one digit here, that is 2? See, okay, you tell me, Advaita, 2 is smaller than 2, greater than 2, or equal to 2?
Equal to, ma'am.
Very good. So can we get 2 in 2 table?
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
2 ones are 2.
Yes. So since we can get this one digit, that is 2 in 2 table, so we will take only one digit at a time. Okay, Advaita?
Okay, ma'am.
So we will write this 1 at the top and 2 down. So 2 ones are 2, and we will put minus sign beside this second 2, and then we will draw a line here. And 2 minus 2 is how much, Advaita?
2 minus 2, ma'am.
Yeah.
0, ma'am.
0. Very good. So we will write here 0. Now what we will do is, we will draw an arrow and we will copy this 4 beside this 0. Now Advaita, tell me, can we get 4 in 2 table? Advaita, recall 2 table.
Yes,
Yeah. How many times?
1 time, ma'am.
Call 2 table, Advaita, and then tell me when we will get 4.
2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours
What
are...
we have to see? Which number in 2 table? What is the number?
2, ma'am.
What is the number beside 0?
0, ma'am.
Beside 0.
4, ma'am.
Yeah. So what we have to do? We have to see in 2 table. Which number we have to see?
2, ma'am.
Advaita, beside 0, 4 is there. So we have to see 4 in 2 table. Now tell me when we will get 4 in 2 table.
2 twos are 4, ma'am.
Yes. So we will write 2 here at the top, and we will write this 4 below this 4, and we will put here minus sign beside this 4. So 4 minus 4 is how much?
0, ma'am.
Yes. So we will write here 0. Aliza, you tell me the answer.
12, ma'am.
Very good. Children, here quotient is 12. You can see here quotient is 12. So answer will be 12. Very good, Aliza. Yes, children. So you will do one thing. I'll take your other color. You will write, if you have space here, fine. If you don't have space here, then beside this question only put equal to symbol and write here answer 1 to 12. Okay? Yeah. Pathan, please unmute yourself and read second question.
Okay, ma'am. I have already wrote it, ma'am.
I asked you to read second question. Please read that. If you have done, good.
36 divided by 2.
So this is 36 divided by 2. So again, we'll be writing it in this way. Okay, which number will come outside and which number will come inside?
Inside the number will come 36.
Yeah, 36 is bigger number here. So we'll be writing 36 inside and outside.
2. 2 number.
Yes, very good. So we'll be writing 2 outside. Okay, Pathan. Okay, yeah, fine. Thank you. Yeah. Now we, after division symbol, number is 2. So we'll be recalling here 2 table, right? Riyansika.
Yes, ma'am.
Riyansika, now digits are 3 and 6, right? Now you tell me, we'll be taking 3 at a time or we will take 3 and 6 together?
3 and 6 together.
Why we are not taking only 3?
What, ma'am?
Why we are not taking 3? Why we are taking 3 and 6 together?
No, we have to put 3 on.
No, ma'am. We have to take only 3.
We will take only 3 because 3 is greater than 2. Yes? Is it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. So we'll be taking only 3 here. Now tell me, in 2 table, when you will get a number smaller than 3 and nearest to 3.
2 ones are 2.
Very good. So 2 ones are 2. That is, 2 is the only number in 2 table which is smaller than 3. So 2 ones are 2. We'll be writing that 1 above this 3. And we'll be writing this 2 below this 3. And we will put here minus sign. Very good. Now 3 minus 2 is how much? Riyansika,
1.
1. Very good. So we will write this 1 here. And we will make an arrow and we will put down this 6 beside this 1. Now Riyansika, tell me what is the number?
16.
Very good. 1, 6, 16. Now you tell me, Riyansika, can we get 16 in 2 table? Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now recall 2 table and tell me when we will get 16.
2. 2 in the 2. 2 8s are.
2 8s are. Very good. So 2 8s are 16. So we'll be writing this 8 above this 6. And we will be writing 16 here. And we'll put here minus sign also. Okay. Riyansika, 6 minus 6?
0.
Very good. And 1 minus 1?
0.
0. Very good. That's the correct answer now. Okay. Pathan, you tell me what is the answer?
18, ma'am.
Very good. So we will
18.
correct. So we will put here equal to symbol beside second bit. And then we will write here 1, 8, 18 also. Children, I'm writing this answer with red color so that you can identify it. And always remember, whatever is your quotient, that is your answer. Okay. Dhriti Rati, please read third bit. Unmute yourself, Dhriti.
Okay, ma'am. 42 divided by 2.
42 divided by 2. That's correct. Now, Dhriti, which number will come outside and which number will come inside?
42 will come inside and 2 will come outside.
Very good. We'll be writing 42 inside and 2 outside. Okay. That's correct. Okay, Dhriti, now tell me, we'll be taking here 4 and 2 together or we will take only one digit at a time?
Ma'am, we will take only one.
Very good.
Only 2 digits together, ma'am.
We will take 4 and 2 together. We will take only 4 at a time or we will take 4 and 2 together?
4.
We will take only 4 because 4 is greater than 2. We always compare the first digit with the number which is outside, right? So outside number is 2 and we know that here first digit is 4 and 4 is always greater than 2. So we will take only one digit here, right? Okay, Dhruti, tell me when we will get, okay, can we get 4 in 2 table?
Yes, ma'am. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4.
2 2s are 4. So we'll be writing this 2 above this 4 and we will write this 2 exactly below this 4. Sorry, we'll be writing here 4 because 2 2s are 4 and we will put here minus sign. Yes, Shruti, 4 minus 4?
0, ma'am.
4 minus 4 is 0. That's correct. Okay, good. Now, Lohit, you tell me what will be our next step. Now what we will do? One digit is left. What is that digit?
2.
2 is left. So what we will do now? We will
Now
make
we'll
an
write
arrow.
another 2.
Yes, we will make an arrow here and we will write this 2 beside this 0. Okay, Lohit, now tell me, can we get 2 in 2 table? Recall 2 table and tell me, can we get 2 in 2 table?
Yes.
When?
2 1s are 2.
Okay, so 2 1s are 2. So we'll be writing this 1 here above the 2 and we'll be writing this 2 exactly below this 2 and we will put here minus sign. Okay, Lohit, now tell me 2 minus 2 how much?
0.
0, right? So we'll be writing the 0 here. That's correct. Lohit, now tell me what is the answer? What
2
is it?
1.
Very good. Answer is 2 1 21. That's correct, Lohit. So we'll be writing this answer beside the question. You'll put here equal to sign and then you will write this answer 2 1 21. Okay? Fine. Yes, Shreyas. Yes, Shreyas.
Ma'am, which page number, ma'am?
Shreyas, page number 99 of your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
And I have written this at the top of the slide also. Okay, fine. Misbah, please read next question. 4th bit.
Ma'am, 55 divided by 55.
Huh?
Ma'am, 55 divided by 5.
So this is 55 divided by 5. Very good. So which number will come outside and which number will come inside?
Ma'am, 5 will come outside, 55 will come inside.
5, we'll be writing 5 outside and 55 inside. Very good. Okay, so we'll be writing 5 outside and 55 inside. Okay. Misbah, now tell me, 2-digit number is 55, right? So you tell me, we'll be taking 5 only or 5 and 5 together?
Ma'am, only 5, ma'am.
Yes, very good. That's correct. We'll be taking here only 5 at a time. We will not take 55 because 5 is equal to 5. Outside the number is 5. So it is equal to 5. So definitely we can get it in 5 table. Yes, Misbah, when we will get 5 in 5 table?
Ma'am, 1, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So we'll write a 5. 1s are 5. So we will write this 5 below this 5 and we will put here minus sign. So 5 minus 5 is?
0, ma'am.
Very good. So we'll write here 0. That's correct. Okay, that's fine. Tanishka, tell me what we will do next. Now,
Ma'am?
yeah, what we'll do now?
Ma'am, I was late, ma'am, to class.
Can you see this 4th bit on your screen, Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we did 5 minus 5, 0. Now tell me what shall we do now? That 5 is left there. Yeah, can you see that 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we will do? we will make an arrow and we will copy that 5 beside 0. Yes?
By 0.
Okay, so we will make an arrow and we will copy this 5 beside this 0. Okay, Tanishka?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now you tell me, Tanishka, in 5 table when we will get 5?
5 ones are 5, ma'am.
Very good. So we will get 5 one time. So we will write 1 above that 5 and 5 here below this 5. And we will put here minus symbol. Okay, Tanishka, tell me 5 minus 5 how much?
5 minus 5, 0, ma'am.
Very good. So 5 minus 5 is 0. That's correct. Okay, Tanishka, now tell me what is the answer?
0, ma'am.
Answer is not 0. Whatever is our quotient, that is our answer. Answer is never 0 here.
11, ma'am.
What is the quotient here?
11, ma'am.
Yes, so this is our answer. So what we will do beside this question, we will put here equal to sign and then we will write here 1, 1, 11. 11 is our answer. Okay, fine. Yes, children, I'll give you 30 seconds. Note down this. If you are still writing, please note down this quickly. I'll give you only 30 seconds. Okay. Fine. And day before, no. On Friday, I gave topics to few children. Right. So today I'll be giving topics to few more children. And remember that you have to. I'll be assigning you few topics, or you can take topic of your choice also. So you have to make video on that topic, and you have to explain that math topic either with the help of a chart, or you can do it with the help of a. Yeah, you can do it with the help of an activity also. It's up to you. Okay, fine. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone who is still writing? Okay, no one is writing, so I'll clear this. Yes, fine. Okay, children, we'll do the remaining bits now. Zed, please read next question. That is 5th bit.
29 divided by 2.
Is it 29?
28. 28 divided by 2.
Yeah, so this is 28 divided by 2. So which number we will write outside, Zed?
2.
Very good. So we'll be writing this 2 outside, and inside we'll be writing here
28.
Yeah, we'll be writing here 2, 8, 28. Okay, now Zed, tell me, we have 2 and 8 here. So we will take one digit at a time, that is 2, or we will take both the digits together.
One digit at a time.
Very good. We will take here only one digit at a time, that is 2. We will not take 2, 8, 28 together. I'm repeating again. The reason is here we have to compare the first digit with the outside number, and outside the number is 2 and inside also it's 2. So both the numbers are equal to each other. So definitely we can get 2 in 2 table. Okay, Zaid, you tell me when we will get 2 in 2 table.
2 ones are 2.
Very good. So 2 ones are 2. So I'll write here 1. I'll write this 2. Below this 2.
There is no.
That 2 minus 2, how much?
0.
0. That's correct. So we'll draw a line here and we'll write here 0. That's correct. Okay. Thank you, Zaid. Fine. Ashrita, tell me what we'll do next.
Yes, ma'am.
What we'll do next?
Arrow.
Yes, we will make an arrow here And then we will copy this 8 beside.
0.
Very good, Ashrita. We will copy this 8 beside this 0. Okay, Ashrita, now number is 8. Can we get 8 in 2 table? We call 2 table and
Yes,
then.
ma'am.
Very good. When?
4.
Very good. So 2 4s are 8. So we will write here 4. And then 8 we'll be writing down. And we will put here minus symbol. So 8 minus 8 is how much, Ashrita?
0, ma'am.
0. Very good. That's correct. Fine. And Ashrita, what is our answer?
14.
Very good. Our quotient is 14. So our answer is 14. And don't forget to write this answer, that is 1 4 14 beside this question. You will be putting here equal to sign and then you will write 14. Okay, that's correct. Thank you, Ashrita. Okay, now next question. Okay. Supratik,
Yes, ma'am.
please read next question. Bit F.
Ma'am,
Please read next question.
65 in the inside, 5 in the outside.
First, tell me what is the question? 65?
You will divided by 5.
Very good. So 65 we will write inside as you said, and we will write 5 outside. Okay, that's correct, Supratik. Now, Supratik, tell me, we will take 6 or we will take 6 and 5 together?
6, ma'am.
Very good. We will take here only one digit, children, that is 6, because 6 is greater than 5. Our outside number is 5 here. So if we are comparing 5 and 6 together, 6 is greater than 5. So we will take only 6. Okay. So, okay, Supratik, now tell me in 5 table, which number is smaller than 6 and nearest to 6? Smaller than 6. Recall 5 table.
5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5
Oh,
threes
stop.
are
Stop. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Tell me, 10 is smaller than 6 or greater than 6?
greater than 6.
Okay, so we cannot take 10. Fine. And 5 ones are 5. So 5 is smaller than 6 or greater than 6?
Smaller.
Very good. So we have to think of a number in 5 table which is smaller than 6 and nearest to 6. Okay, so what is that number?
5, ma'am.
Very good. So, and when we are getting 5 in 5 table?
5 in 5 table.
Yeah. When we are getting 5 in 5 table, recall 5 table?
24.
Yes, Supratik. Recall 5 table, come on quickly.
5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes
I
are
said
15.
you have to see when we are getting 5. So, how many times we are getting 5 in 5 table?
One time, ma'am.
Yes. So, we will write 1 above this 6 and we will write this 5 below this 6 and we will put here minus sign. Now, tell me, Supratik, 6 minus 5, how much?
6 minus 0, ma'am.
6 minus 5 is 0. Is it? 6 minus 5 is not 0. Come on, quickly.
1, ma'am.
Yeah, 6 minus 5 is 1. So, we'll be writing here 1. Okay. Shri Hassan, tell me what we'll do next. Yes, Shri Hassan, what we will do next?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what we should do next, ma'am?
Tell me. Shri Hassan, what we will do now? Tell me quickly. 5 is there beside 6. Yes? So we will make an arrow and we will copy that 5 beside,
Yes, ma'am.
beside what?
Arrow.
We will make an arrow like this and we will write this 5 beside which number? Huh? What is the number here?
1.
1. So we will write this 5 beside this 1. Okay. So what is the number now?
15.
15. Now tell me in 5 table when we will get 15.
In 5 tables, when we will get 15,
Yeah.
5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 50. 5
So?
3 is
3s are. So we will write 3 here and we will write this 15 down and we will put here minus sign. Now 5 minus 5
0.
and 1 minus 1?
0.
0. So what is the answer?
13.
13. Very good. Our quotient is 13. So our answer is also 13 here. So we'll be writing this 13 beside this question. That's correct. Okay, Shrivas, you read next question. Shrivas. Okay, wait. Yes, Shrivas, please read next question.
Ma'am,
74.
ma'am, 74 divided by 2.
Yes, so this is 74 divided by 2. Now you tell me which number we will write outside and which number we will write inside.
Ma'am, inside 74, outside 2.
Very good. So we'll be writing this 2 outside and we'll be writing this 74 inside. Okay, Shrivas, you tell me we will take this 7 and 4 together or we will take only 7. That is only one digit. Yeah, tell me. Yes, Shrivas.
Ma'am,
We will take 7 and 4 together or we will take only 7? Tell me.
7, 4.
Okay, Shrivas, you tell me, we have to compare here 7 and 2. Tell me 7 is greater than 2 or smaller than 2?
7.
Shrivas will answer. Yeah, Shrivas.
7 is greater.
7 is greater than 2, so we will take only 7. 7, okay? We will not take 7 and 4 together. We will take only 7. Okay, Shrivas? Now tell me in 2 table which number is smaller than 7 and nearest also. Nearest to 7 and smaller than 7. Recall 2 table. Shrivas, quickly, come on.
2 1 is 2. 2 2 is
Listen
4.
why you are helping. Yeah, Shrivas. Shrivas, you don't remember 2 table.
Remember, ma'am.
Then why you are not recalling? Tell me 2 table quickly.
2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. 2 6 is 12. 2 7 is 14. 40.
Please learn tables. Okay. Tomorrow again I'll be asking you tables. Please learn them as soon as possible. Okay. Azlan.
Yes, ma'am.
Azlan, now you tell me numbering 2 table which is smaller than 7 and nearest to 7.
4.
4. Okay, so 4 is smaller than 7. That's fine. Okay, is it the number nearest to 7? Is there any other number in 2 table which is smaller than 7 and nearest to 7?
6.
Very good. Yes, children, if you will recall 2 table, you can see 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. So we have 3 numbers here in 2 table which are smaller than 7, right? We have here 3 numbers, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. These 3 numbers in 2 table are smaller than 7, but we will take 6 here. We will not take 2 and 4. Why we will not take 2 and 4 here, children? Because we have to look for a number which is smaller than 7 and nearest to 7. So we'll be taking here 6 only. Okay? Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, in F1 you kept 15, ma'am, it down.
So, what is wrong?
That is wrong, ma'am.
That's not wrong. What is wrong in it?
15 minus is 15 not.
What?
15 minus 5 will be no.
Why 5? We have 5 threes are 15, no? Number was 1, 5, 15. So we have to recall 5 table. And we have to see when we are getting 15 in 5 table. So 5 threes are 15. That's correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, children, I'll repeat again. I repeat again that why we are taking here 6, because there. Okay, why we are taking here 6? Because we have here 3 numbers in 2 tables that are smaller than 7. That is 2, 4, and 6. We have here 3 numbers. But out of these 3 numbers, we'll be taking here 6 because 6 is the number which is nearest to 7. We have to look for a number which is smaller than 7 and nearest also. So we'll be taking here 6. So 2 threes are 6. So we'll write here 3. And 6 we will write below this 7. And we will put here minus sign. Yes, Aslan, 7 minus 6, how much? Wait. Yeah, Aslan, 7 minus 6?
1.
1. Very good. And what we will do now, we will copy this 4 also beside this 1. Now what will be the number, Aslan? 1, 4?
14.
14. Now tell me in 2 table when we will get 14.
2 sevens are 14.
Very good. 2 sevens are 14. So we'll be writing this 7 up.